KBC2 will open in the first week of February as a weekend primetime show. It's called KBC2 for a number of reasons, because the second season, also because it's a 2 crore prize, and there are all sorts of better than before.
With so many reality shows around now, KBC is back after a gap. How is it going to be different than the others?
KBC2 this time round has a number of value additions across the board. It's much easier to get registration into the contest because the technology has changed and is much more accessible than before to begin with. There are going to be all sorts of interactivities built into the show, which hopefully will increase viewer participation and involvement in the show, even as it's going on. There are little value additions within the program which you have to wait and watch for. And the host has done so many things in between. You've seen him doing different roles, and I think you can look for much more variety in his conduct of the show. And hopefully bigger winners.
What about celebrity guests this time? Celebrity guests this time around as well?
As always, there are plans for celebrity shows when celebrities will play for charity, and at fairly regular intervals. But those plans will be announced as and when they are formalized and finalized.
Have you spoken with any people yet?
I believe a number of people have been spoken to, and normally on KBC people are quite happy to come onto the show. But that will be announced to the world at large in a major way.
How long will this season be telecast? Duration-wise?
KBC2 will be back for a last run of 85 programs. So this is the last chance for people to get the big one.
Well, last time around there were a lot of problems people had in getting through the phone lines which to be blocked and all that. Will that be easier this time?
On June 6th, the lines will open, and I think everybody will find out exactly how it's going to run. The technology has changed. There's going to be much easier access to register into the contest through a number of different kinds of modes. The details will be obvious to the public very soon. It will be announced.
What about KBC3? Any chance of that happening?
Well, so far the broadcaster said this is the last run, and I think people should regard it as such. This is the last chance to get onto the fastest finger places, to get onto the hot seat, to try and get the big one. प्रोग्राम को KBC2 बुलाया जा रहा है क्योंकि इस बार उम्मीद से दुगुना इनाम प्राप्त किया जा सकता है। 2 करोड़ का प्राइज़ है और ये सेकंड सीज़न है, इसलिए KBC2 बुलाया जा रहा है। जून 6 पे लाइंस खुल रही हैं और इस बार टेलीफोन के अलावा काफ़ी सारे साधन हैं प्रोग्राम में आने के लिए। 5 साल में काफ़ी तरक्की हुई है टेक्नोलॉजी में, तो पहले से बहुत आसान होगा प्रोग्राम में शामिल होने का और प्रोग्राम में रजिस्टर होने का। वैसे प्रोग्राम में हर तरीके के वैल्यू एडिशंस हैं। KBC का जादू कुछ और ही है, अमिताभ बच्चन जी का जादू कुछ और ही है, और कुछ साल बाद लोग इसको देख पाएंगे पहले से बड़ा और बेहतर तरीके से। इसमें प्रोग्राम में काफ़ी सारे वैल्यू एडिशंस हैं जो देख के आप लोगों को पता चलेगा, और काफ़ी तरीके हैं जिससे देखने वाले उसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं, इनाम जीत सकते हैं, तो देखते रहिए।
सेलिब्रिटी गेस्ट इस बार भी मौजूद होंगे KBC2 में?
इस बार भी सेलिब्रिटी गेस्ट को न्योता दिया जाएगा और वो चैरिटी के लिए खेलेंगे, पर अभी कुछ वक्त लगेगा नाम बताने के लिए, और वो एक एक करके ब्रॉडकास्टर उनको अनाउंस करेगी।
KBC3 देखने को उम्मीद रख सकते हैं ना?
ये आखिरी मौका है। स्टार ने कहा है कि ये आखिरी मौका है KBC2 में शामिल होने का, 2 करोड़ का इनाम जीतने का। तो अगर वो कहते हैं तो सच होगा।